Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. My name is Lou and today we'll be making a peace lily aquascape. Does this look familiar to you? Last year, I crafted one of my favorite duo Betta tanks, but I had to disassemble it for my move to Bali. I've truly missed that aquascape since. Now, with an abundance of peace lily plants in my garden, I'm excited to recreate that setup using the materials I can source from here. But before we start, if you're new here, welcome. Please remember to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified of my next video. Let's get started. This is a custom-made shallow tank. It's cost-effective but quite a masterpiece of design and functionality. It's sleek and low profile, giving us a perfect panoramic view, just right for a riparium-style aquascape or a natural riverbed ecosystem. For the hardscape, I'm using grey river rocks, which is widely available here and comes in multiple different shapes and sizes. I've also picked Bali sand because of its color, its smooth fine textures, and unusually consistent round granules. I've also picked green bean based fertilizer and mocosol substrate for this build. Now, the star of our aquascape, the lily plant. I've picked the variegated peace lily, which is a new hybrid variant of the peace lily. Here, I've just uprooted the main plant which was previously grown in a pot. My preparation includes cleaning all the materials thoroughly, especially the river rocks and sand. I also gave the lily plant a thorough wash and trimmed the roots so that it will encourage new growth. Next, I separated the lily plants into smaller parts ready for planting. Now the fun part begins. I'll compress and speed up the aquascaping process since it took me a few hours in real time to complete. Please stick around till the end of the video as I'll be sharing my mistakes and learning with you. over time, my lily plant just would not settle. The leaves were starting to yellow and the roots were starting to rot. My suspicion is that issue number one could have been perhaps the two types of soil substrate that I've used, and perhaps mixing both of them together just wasn't the greatest idea. Secondly, I think it could have been the air pockets that may have been trapped inside the soil substrate. And I know that I tried removing them here, as you can see in the video, but perhaps it just wasn't enough to remove everything. And if that was the case, perhaps I should have just wet the soil and kind of add more water whilst planting, so that it kind of removes the air pockets as much as possible. Lastly, because lily plants actually grow tall, I suspect that perhaps I didn't have enough lighting where that aquarium actually sits. So I have been using natural light, and unfortunately it's not in the best position for the lily plant to sustain its growth. As we conclude our journey with the lily aquascape, we know that there's a huge potential for this houseplant to turn our aquascape into something special, something different. And I personally would recreate this once again in the future, maybe a few more times in the future. Thank you so much for joining me in this adventure, and also for sticking through right till the end. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. And I also truly hope that this video will inspire you to also create your own masterpiece. Until next time, bye!